everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Allure beauty box for January 2021. Now, if you're not aware, they did just raise the price on this beauty box from, what was it, like $15 to like $22, $23, something like that. I purchased an annual subscription. I have not been super proud of it or super happy with it, to be honest with you, since they raised the price, because I don't feel like the price increase equates to the box. So we're going to go ahead and get into it, see if they're doing any better this month. Before we do, if you have not yet and you would like to, go ahead and hit subscribe. I do a lot of beauty unboxings as well as some other beauty related content as well. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit thumbs up down below. And if you have not yet, go ahead and hit subscribe. I already said that. And if you have any comments, that's what I meant to say. If you have any comments, leave those down below. Let's go ahead and get into this box. That is what it says. It says for the beauty experts right on there. They always send a card which has always an absolutely beautiful human being on the front. Yeah, beautiful. And then there's actually a card in here. We'll come back to that. And that is what the box looks like. Like I said, I haven't been super excited with this since it raised the price, and they actually have styrofoam in the bottom. And then there's an ad. All right, so yeah. There's a coupon code for a purchase at ManiMe, which I'm probably not going to use. You know, what I'm most disappointed about is that they said that with the price increase, they were going to start putting full-size products in the box. And they used to have full-size products in the box before at the lower price. And I just haven't seen an increase in the products that they've been providing at all. So they did have somebody editing the beauty box. Now they went back to this lady who's been the editor on the beauty box for a long time. They did switch over to somebody named Jessica, who was a gorgeous woman. And I don't know why, but I guess now Elizabeth Siegel is back. I don't know. Anyway, I just took a moment to read through her little card. So I'm just, yeah, guys, I'm not happy. I'm not happy, but let's go ahead and dig into it. The first item in here is from Saturday Skin. It's the Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel, which sounds scary to me. This looks like it is a full size though. So this is the, like I said, Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. This is written by Sarah Hahn, senior commerce writer. I've tried enough peels that left my face burning, so I'm always on the hunt for a gentle one. That's where this Saturday Skin option comes in. It sweeps away dead skin cells with pineapple and contains papaya, which has vitamins A and C to further exfoliate and brighten, says cosmetic chemist Ginger King. It makes my skin appear more radiant, something I desperately need. But the best part might be the application process. As I rub it in circular motions around my face, I can see some dead skin cells coming off along with the product, which is so darn satisfying. A minute later, I splash on a little water and it looks like I've actually gotten a full uninterrupted night of sleep. Price is $28 and you can find it at Sephora.com. All right, continuing on. This is the next item in here. This is from True and Luscious. All right, I'm confused. I'm going to come back to why I'm confused in just a second. All right, True and Luscious Super Moisture Lipstick in the shade Vintage Rose, which I'm sure for me it sounds really pretty. And this is a full-size product as well. The tip's broken. It is, you can't see it, but it's stuck in the top. But the tip of the lipstick is broken. So that's, we're not batting 1,000 here, are we? Let's go ahead and swatch it since it's already broken anyway. Yeah, it's a super, super pretty shade. Definitely something that I will wear. The tip just doesn't want to, like, I just caught it when I put the lid on too. I'm just not having much luck with this, am I? All right, it's a really, really pretty shade. Is my lips working? My tongue working? Really pretty shade. I don't know what's going on today. Okay, True and Luscious Super Moisture Lipstick. This is written by Kara McGrath, digital deputy editor. My lipsticks had been gathering an impressive layer of dust in recent months until I realized they're the makeup I most enjoy putting on. So I've started building up a collection of new staples like this bullet, which glides on so smoothly that I briefly thought it had started melting. It's packed with hydrating ingredients, including hyaluronic acid, and has a nice dewy finish that I think looks great for all of my Zoom meetings and still not leaving the house selfies. The shade I tried, Vintage Rose, almost perfectly matches my natural light mauve lip color, so I know it will work well on days when I want to go nearly au natural. In uncertain times like these, it's nice to have something to rely on. Price is $22, trueluscious.com. You can enter Allure at checkout to receive 20% off your order, valid January 1st through March 1st of 2021. All right, what I'm totally confused about. Okay. I don't know why they did it this way. Okay, whatever. So you got this little card from ManiMe x Allure, right? Handpicked by Allure, made for you. And you open it up and you can scan your nails. You're supposed to scan your nails, shop Manny's, redeem the code, and then it's peel and wear nail polish, right? It has a code for one purchase for $30 value. This card can be used to scan your nails on manime.co/allure. I don't know. I'm confused by this. So this is written by Talia Gutierrez, beauty assistant. It's the ManiMe stick-on gels, and it has an asterisk. It says you'll be able to select one of 5 styles, all designed by Insta-famous nail artist, using the insert card in your box. Credit includes shipping. So I guess you have to go to the website, and then you get to select whichever color you want, and they will mail it to you free of charge, I suppose. Okay, that's my guess. I open beauty products all day long for work, so chip nails were my signature look until I tried these custom fitted gel nail stickers. I uploaded a few photos of my nails to the ManiMe site, selected a butterfly design, and a week later a 15-pack of 3D printed nail stickers arrived at my door. There were 5 extras in case I botched the application. The stickers were custom printed to fit my nails. They were a little long on my index fingers, but I easily filed away the excess, and applying them was a breeze. I've purchased a handful of designs since and swear by them for chip-proof manicures that last up to 2 weeks. Okay, so that sounds pretty cool. I'm assuming that, I'm assuming, based on the description, is that you have to take a picture of your hands, and then they'll send you custom sized. But the thing that I am confused about there is that my nails grow and they break. Maybe I'm just a heathen, but just showing you these 4 fingers here, you can see that these 2 nails are a little bit longer than these 2 nails because these 2 nails have broken recently. So my nails are not the same size. And they will grow. I don't know. Maybe I'm just being difficult. Okay, let's keep going. This is a mini from L'Occitane. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. So you could get one of 2 products. You could either get the Hulen serum, or this one. You'll receive either the serum or the cream, and this is the cream in your box. This is just a mini. This is not a full size by any stretch. Okay, it is sealed, so that's pretty cool. So the serum is the one I did not get, and it says, so this was written by ES, which is the editor, Elizabeth Siegel. The serum. I know I should use serum at night, but I can't stand feeling or smelling it as I'm falling asleep, so I didn't have high hopes for this guy. This is the other one. So I didn't, then I tried it, and now I see why one bottle is reportedly sold every minute. The formula sinks in quickly. You don't have to worry about it rubbing off on your sheets, and it makes my skin softer and brighter overnight. It contains organic Mortel essential oil, the same key ingredient as the cream version below, which is what I have, but not the same noticeable scent. By the time my head hits the pillow, I forget I'm wearing this smoothing serum. So this is the cream. I had a bunch of yellow immortelles on my desk for 2 years, and they were always sunny and bright. The flowers are famous for retaining their color after they dry out. But I never tried them in skincare. Turns out they're essential oil, along with the other botanical oils in this cream, evening primrose and sunflower to name two, make my skin glow, giving the high points on my face a pretty dewiness and my cheeks a healthy looking rosy flush. A little goes a long way. I use a pea-sized dollop for my whole face, and the flowery scent is reminiscent of classic French skincare. You can get it at l'occitane.com. You can enter code Allure10 at checkout to receive 10% off your order of the cream specifically, or the serum from January 1st through March 31st. So that's a nice long code. Okay, next item, let's pull this out. This is from the Beauty Crop. This is the Beauty Crop Blush Duo. I feel like I'm missing something. Am I missing something? No, I'm just being silly. Okay, this is the Blush Duo. This was written by Gabriella Thorne, editorial assistant. So, in the shade Mauve Euless, which is cool. All right, so this is a powder and a cream. This side is powder, this side is cream. Blush Duo. I've gotten some of these before, but I got them in like a bright orange color, which is not really my aesthetic. This is pretty. So, it's not always easy to find blushes that flatter my complexion. She is a darker skinned woman right there. Beautiful, but definitely darker skin than I am. So I tend to lean towards super bright hues. The mauve shades in this duo initially caught me off guard, but after blending them, I had a natural looking flush, something I hadn't experienced before from a blush and didn't realize was possible. The Compact's 2 formula, a powder and a cream, blend out beautifully. The Compact's 2 formulas blend out beautifully. I like using a fluffy brush for the powder and my fingers for the cream. From Gabriella Thorne, editorial assistant. Price is $10, thebeautycrop.com. Enter Allure30 at checkout to receive 30% off of your order, valid from January 1st through March 1st. So the last item in here, actually, this is the woman who was doing the editing of the beauty box before Elizabeth, whatever her name is. Not trying to be rude. Elizabeth Siegel came back. So, this is the Base Blue Air Sponge. It's just a tiny little sponge. So, it's technically a sponge, but this tiny teardrop feels like velvet. The pointed end is perfect for placing concealer in the tiny crevices around my eyes. Then I douse the sponge's tip in water and use it to bounce banana powder over the concealer for a diffused, not cakey, finish. I use the rounded end to apply liquid foundation. Dampening the sponge first makes for a light-handed application, and they are versatile. I've even used the precision end to apply eyeshadow and highlighter on the go. From Jessica Cruel, Features Director, price is $7, basebluecosmetics.com. Enter Allure15 at checkout to receive 15% off of your order. So, here's my problem, okay? They're now charging more for this box. Like I said, it's like 25, I think, 22, something like that, in the 20, lower half of the 20s range. You got $7 sponge, $10 blush duo. You got the $22 lipstick, which is good. You got the Saturday Skin peel, which is $28. And then you got the sample of the L'Occitane. Now, this is $110 full size. This is not a full size. This is a sample. This is 4 milliliters or 0.14 ounces. I'm not 100% certain this isn't a full size, but if you're paying $110 for 4 milliliters, you must just have money to burn because I don't have that kind of money. So, oh, and then you got the Mani. But I really, so all of that said, it's not, you're getting more value than you paid for it, but it's not a knock your socks off type of value, which you're seeing in your other boxes that are charging around the same price. Your Ipsy, your Ipsy Plus, your BoxyCharm base boxes, they're about the same price as this, and you're getting all full-size products. Your box might be worth over $100. I just don't, I don't know. Maybe I'm being too difficult on them. I do have to order this, though, because that's part of my value. So, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. I think I heard last month from you all that you don't feel like the value is there for the higher price. I don't feel like the value is there for the higher price. I don't know what they're doing. I paid for a whole year because I was able to lock in the $15 price for the whole year, but I don't think I'm going to keep Allure. At $15, I think this was more than worth it, but you add in there the extra couple of bucks and you're not getting anything more for the price. I'm just not seeing it. I'm just not seeing it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Anyway, if you like this video, thumbs up is always appreciated. Thumbs down is all right too if you didn't like the video. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit subscribe. Come on back and see me in the future. And if you have any comments, leave those down below. I'm disappointed. I am. I'm not going to lie. I'm disappointed. So let me know your thoughts, and I think that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you on the next epic video. Bye, guys.